जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा लदवन को भोग लगे संत कर सेवा लदवन को भोग लगे संत कर सेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी 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 माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मुसके सवारी माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मुसके सवारी जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा अंधन को आँख देता निर्बल को काया अंधन को आँख देता निर्बल को काया अंधन को आँख देता निर्बल को काया बांझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया बांझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा 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 जय गणेश देवा हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा सूरदास शरण आयो सफल कर सेवा सूरदास शरण आयो सफल कर सेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा Namaste, Sitaram, Assalamu Alaikum, and a pleasant good afternoon to you on this Sunday evening, the second evening of, or the second day of the Navratri period. the period of 9 days of worship to the Devis. In the first 3 days, the worship of Mother Durga. In the next 3 days, we shall be worshipping Mother Lakshmi. And in the final 3 days, of course, we shall be worshipping Ma Saraswati. In the first 3 days of our worship, we pray to the dear Mother, to the gracious Mother, to help us to eradicate all the sins of the past, to help us to cleanse ourselves of all our misgivings, of everything that we have done wrong. We pray to the dear Mother to forgive us, to make our hearts once more pure and clean, make our hearts and minds the embodiments of Satya, Dharma, Shanti and Prema, of truth, of righteousness, of love and of peace. In the next 3 days, having cleansed our minds and rid ourselves of all our negative qualities, the qualities that prevent us from having a divine experience, we shall pray to Mother Lakshmi to bless us with wisdom, wisdom which comes in the form of light, a light that lights up the mind and makes our mind a temple suitable for worship of God, from where only positive thoughts, positive words and actions that will always uplift us spiritually and take us closer and closer to the feet of God. And finally, having been established with that light in our minds, where the mind becomes a temple, in the final 3 days, we shall begin to live that knowledge with the blessings of Saraswati Ma, and we shall make what we have become a reality through our words, through our thoughts, and through our deeds. A period of 9 days of human transformation, this period of Navratri. And on the 10th day, of course, we shall celebrate the birth of Sri Ram. Not just the physical birth of Sri Ram as avatar, but the birth of Ram in terms of the principles of righteous living, which should then be enshrined in our hearts and minds and should become one, or a set of qualities which will be exhibited in our character and in our behaviors, in our interactions, in our relationships. This is, in a sense, the philosophy of these 9 days that we are worshiping Durga and celebrating also on the 10th, the birth of Sri Ram. Note well that the birth of Sri Ram comes on the last day, after we have done the cleansing and made ourselves a worthy receptacle to receive Bhagwan Sri Ram in our hearts. May we all be blessed in this regard by Ma Durga, the very Ma Durga to whom Bhagwan Sri Ram himself prayed when he needed assistance in the destruction of Ravan. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvara Gajananam Bhutaganari Sevitam Kapita Jambhu Phalasara Bhakshanam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Par Pankajam. Om Shantakaram Bhujagashainam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Meghavarnam Subhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagam Vande Vishnu Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokekanatham. O God, Hey Bhagwan, you are embodiment of peace. You are as vast as the sky. You are the sustainer of the entire universe. You are fathomless, you are omnipresent, you are all-pervading. O embodiment of goodness, Lord of wealth and beauty, you are the object of our meditation. Please make us God realized. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Padaye Namaha. नीलाम्बुज श्यामल कोमलांगम सीता समारोपित वाम भागम पानौ महासायक चारुचापम नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयुक्तमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पावारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्. And now we shall pray to the Divine Mother as we recite verses in her praise of the Devi Suktam. First we pray to her as the Divine Mother who is the power of Lord Vishnu and who abides in all beings. The Devis to whom we pray during these 9 days, they represent energy, they represent Shakti. You need two things always to create. You need knowledge or intelligence, but you also need materials and you need energy. While Lord Brahma is the creator, Lord Vishnu the sustainer, and Bhagwan Shiva the one who restores and transforms, they all need energy in the form of Shakti, be it Saraswati, Lakshmi or Parvati. The Shakti aspect, the energy aspect that makes things happen together with intelligence is what we pray for. So that we will have that Shakti, we will have that energy in order to create the kind of world that will sustain us, but at the same time, a world that will be peaceful, a world that will be full of love, beauty and goodness. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vishnu Mayeti Shabdita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhi Rupena Samstitha Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Lajja Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shraddha Rupena Sanstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Smriti Rupena Samstitha Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Daya Rupena Samstitha Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matri Rupena Samstitha Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Namastasyai Namo Namaha. And now we shall lovingly praise the Devi by way of this Arti rendition and Arti offering. May she bless us and may we be comfortable in our lives with her blessings. पारन पाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पारन पाया। पान सुपारी मजा नारियल ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया। पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया। सुबह छोले तेरे अंग विराजे, केसर तिलक लगाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पारन पाया। ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे, शंकर ध्यान लगाया। ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे, शंकर ध्यान लगाया। नंगे पागे तेरे आगे आया, छत्र चढ़ाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पारन पाया। बनियो दीवाला, नीचे शहर आया। ऊंचे पर्वत बनियो दीवाला, नीचे शहर बनाया। कलयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य, कलयुग राज सवाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पारन पाया। मोहन भोग लगाया। दुर्गा मैया उपदीप नैवेद्य आरती, मोहन भोग लगाया। धनु भगत मैया तेरी गुण गावे, मन वांछित फल पाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पारन पाया। तेरा पारन पाया दुर्गा मैया, तेरा पारन पाया दुर्गा मैया, तेरा पारन पाया दुर्गा मैया, तेरा पारन पाया। देवी माता तेरा पारन पाया। Tonight, I will be sharing with you a katha with the theme of redemption. Redemption in our scriptures. I will be sharing a katha with that theme for you this evening, as I will do on the other nights also. Because like I said, this is a time when we are also going to be celebrating. In other words, we are waiting for the coming and the birth of Bhagwan Sri Ram. So I shall also be celebrating, be giving you kathas from Ramayana that deal with the birth of Sri Ram, but more particularly, since it's a time of redemption, I want to make sure that what we do is that I share with you kathas relevant to the theme of redemption. You know, how is redemption achieved, and what are some of the examples of redemption in our scriptures. So this is what I'll be doing during this week here for the next nights that we are celebrating Navratam. As I said, we await also the birth of Bhagwan Sri Ram, which we shall celebrate on the last night. But right now, my dear friends, I want to share with you our opening devotional verses from the pages of Ramayana written by Tulsidas, in which Tulsidas begins by saying, I bow before Mother Saraswati, the goddess of sound and speech, the one through whom our words find meaning and our emotions find expression. I bow to Lord Ganesh, the giver of wisdom. These two, Saraswati and Ganesh, are the originators of letters, words and their meaning, of poetic sentiments, of music, and they are the source of blessings. And then he says, I revere Mother Parvati and Lord Shiva, the embodiments of faith and trust, without which even those with spiritual powers cannot perceive the God residing within them. I revere the all-wise eternal preceptor as an incarnation of Lord Shiva himself, through whose association the crescent moon, although crooked in shape, is universally honored. I pay homage to the Lord of poets, Valmiki, and Hanumanji, the one of pure intelligence, who roamed the holy forests where Ram and Sita resided, and who is there whenever the name of Ram is chanted, he comes and visits. Varananam, Varananam, Varananam Arthasanghanam, Rasanam Chandasamapi, Mangalanam Chakartarav Vande Vani Vinayakam Bhavani Shankarav Vande Shraddha Vishwasarupino Yabhyam Vinana Pashyanti Siddha Swantastam Ishwaram Vande Bodhamayam Nityam Guruma Shankara Rupino Yamashritto Hivvakropi Chandra Sarvatra Vandyate. Sitaram Gunagram, Sitaram Gunagram Punyaranya Viharino Vande Vishuddha Vijnana, Vande Vishuddha Vijnana, Vande Vishuddha Vijnana, Kavishwara, Kapishwara, Kavishwara, Kapishwara. Jo sumirat, jo sumirat, jo sumirat. जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होय। गणनायक करिवर भरणा, करहु अनुग्रह सोय। बुद्धि राशि शुभ गुण सदना, मुख होई वाचाल। पंगु चढ़य गिरिवर गहना, जासु कृपा सुदयाल। सबु सकल कलिमल दहना, जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होय। गणनायक करिवर भरणा, नील सरोरहु श्याम। करुणा अरुण बारिज नयना, करहु सुमम उर्धाम। सदा क्षीर सागर शयना, जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होय। गणनायक करिवर भरणा, पुनैन्दु समदे। उमारमन करुणा अयना, जाहि दीन परने। करहु कृपा मर्दन मयना, जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होय। गणनायक करिवर भरणा, बंदो गुरु पर कंज। कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरे, महामोह तम पुंज। जासु वचन रवि कर निकरा, जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होय। गणनायक करिवर भरणा, श्री राम जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। So tonight we shall talk about redemption. Redemption in the Ramcharitmanas. Because as I said, this period of Navratram is a period in which we are engaged, as it were, in 9 days of transformation. 9 days of transformational behavior. We want to achieve a new personality. We want to be different. We want to be different. And therefore, this is what this is all about, my brothers and sisters. Attempting to be different is what this is all about and what we are trying to achieve. And we are going to do this tonight by way of a discourse entitled The Redemption of Jatayu. The Redemption of Jatayu. And our katha is taken from Aranya Kand of the Ramayana. And here we have an account of the valiant and courageous attempts by Jatayu, who was a bird, to rescue Sita from the hands of Ravan, the king of Lanka. The one who had no regard, no respect for women, the one who treated his people very badly, the one, although he was a devotee of Shiva, he misused the gift that Lord Shiva granted to him. The one who cared about no one except himself. And as Ravan forcibly took Sita away, Sita began to wail. She began to cry. She lamented, and her voice, shrilling voice, the loud cries, her wailing and lamentations were heard by all the creatures of the forest. And Tulsidas writes in the Aranyakand of Ramayana, he writes, when they heard the grievous lamentations of Sita, all created beings, moving and unmoving, were sorely distressed. But unfortunately, in his valiant attempts to rescue Sita, Jatayu was struck down by Ravan. But that is only after he had battled Ravan for a long period of time. And Tulsidas tells us that in recognition of Jatayu's valiant efforts and his personal sacrifice, Bhagwan Shri Ram proclaimed in a most inspiring couplet in Ramayana this particular 2 lines, which I'd like to sing for you. परहित बसे जिनके मन माही, तिन्ह कहूँ जग दुर्लभ कछु नाही। परहित बसे जिनके मन माही, तिन्ह कहूँ जग दुर्लभ कछु नाही। जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। परहित बस जिनके मन माही, तिन्ह कहूँ जग दुर्लभ कछु नाही। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। परहित बस जिन्ह के मन माही, तिन्ह कहूँ जग दुर्लभ कछु नाही। What did Bhagwan Shri Ram said to Jatayu, who had sacrificed his life to rescue Sita, the wife of Shri Ram? Bhagwan Shri Ram said to him the following: there is nothing in this world, Jatayu, nothing. I want to repeat the word nothing. Nothing in this world which is beyond the reach of those who have the interests of others at heart. That is the message he gave him. There is nothing in this world, O Jatayu, that is beyond the reach of those who have the interests of others at heart. Such was Jatayu in terms of his interest in the welfare of Sita, that he was prepared to sacrifice his life in order to try to save her. And for such an act, the Lord was not a silent spectator. The Lord expresses his gratitude. the Lord expresses his gratitude by telling him that there's nothing beyond his reach because of the way he has served the Lord by trying to rescue Sita, even at the cost of his life. Brothers and sisters, we are told in the Ramayana that after the battle with Ravan, Jatayu lay on the ground, his wings clipped by Ravan's sword. He lay dying, but Tulsidas tells us, the bird fell to the ground with his thoughts centered upon Ram and the many leelas, the many wondrous acts performed by Bhagwan Sri Ram. Even as he was dying, his lips were filled with the name Ram, and his mind reflected on all the great things that the avatar of Sri Ram had done on earth. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8, verse 5, there are a couple of verses there generally that I want to refer to. And one of the verses says as follows, Antakale chamamiva smaran muktva kalevaram ya prayati sa mad bhavam yati nasti atra samsayaha. And whoever at the time of death, leaving the body, goes forth remembering me and me alone, that person attains my being. O Arjun, there is no doubt about this. My words are never untrue. And then, in the next verse he says, Yam yam yapi smaran bhavam tyajati ante kalevaram tam tam evaiti kaunteya sadatad bhava bhavitaha. Whatever a man thinks of at the last moment when he leaves the body, that alone does he attain, O Kaunteya, because he is ever absorbed in that particular thought. Two things. Firstly, the one at the time of death, when he's leaving the body, goes forth, remembering me alone, he comes to me. There is no doubt about that. Secondly, that whatever the thoughts that exist in the mind of a person at the moment of death, at the last moment, the last second, when he leaves the body, to that state does he attain whatever is the desire. But if it's a thought of God, he will attain God. And then in the final verse I want to refer to you, it says, Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmara yudhacha mai arpita mono budhir mam eva sahasi asamayaha. Therefore at all times, Arjuna, think of me. Think of me and me alone and fight. Live your life. With your mind and understanding set on me, you will surely come to me. Brothers and sisters, Jatayu fought Ravan with his thoughts upon Sri Ram. And having fallen, he continued to contemplate on Sri Ram. What were the results? What were the results? God has promised never ever to abandon his devotee. Let's see what Tulsidas says in this Doha and Chaupai. Jaya Ram, Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram, Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। आगे परगी झपति देखा सुमिरत राम चरण जिन रेखा। आगे परागे झपति देखा सुमिरत राम चरण जिन रेखा। जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। कर सरोज सिर पर सेउ कृपा सिंधु रघुवीर। निरख राम चबिधाम मुख विगत भय सब पीर। राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम। कर सरोज सिर पर सेउ कृपा सिंधु रघुवीर। निरखि राम चभिधाम मुख विगत भय सब पीर। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय श्री राम। आगे पर गिधपति देखा सुमिरत राम चरण जिन रेखा। As he continued the search for Sita with his brother Lakshman, Bhagwan Shri Ram came upon a dying Jatayu. Jatayu was the king of the vultures. And as he saw the king of the vultures lying with his thoughts fixed on Rama's feet, Raghuvar, Kripa Sindhu Raghuvar, Raghuvar, the ocean of grace, took Jatayu's head, placed it upon his lap, and began to stroke his head with his lotus hands. And as he did so, Tulsidas says, the bird gazed upon the exquisite beauty of Rama's face. And says Tulsidas, with the hands stroking his head and his body, Jatayu felt no more pain. Instead, Jatayu suddenly felt a surge of strength, a surge of strength. And with a voice choked with emotion, he courageously spoke to Sri Ram. Sunahu Ram, bhanjana bhava bhir. Sunahu Ram, bhanjana bhava bhir. Listen, O Ram, you who are the dispeller of the fear of death. Bhagwan, it is Ravan who took Sita and who reduced me to this sad plight. And then out of the lips of Jatayu comes a statement that is worthy of our remembrance. Jai Rama Shri Rama Jai Jai Rama Jai Rama Shri Rama Jai Jai Rama Shri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama Shri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama Jai Rama Shri Rama Jai Jai Rama. दरस लागे प्रभु राखे हूँ प्राणा, दरस लागे प्रभु राखे हूँ प्राणा। चलन चहत अब कृपा निधाना, चलन चहत अब कृपा निधाना। जय रामा श्री रामा, जय जय रामा, जय रामा श्री रामा, जय जय रामा, श्री रामा जय रामा, जय जय रामा। दरस लागे प्रभु राखे हूँ प्राणा, राखे हूँ प्राणा। I have kept alive, Lord. दरस लागे प्रभु, because I wanted to see you. I wanted to see you. But Lord, now, O fountain of mercy, I must breathe my last. Chalana chahata ab kripa nidhara. I must breathe my last, O fountain of mercy. Because the desire of my heart to see you has been fulfilled. O Bhagwan, it has been fulfilled. Brothers and sisters, Jatayu, even at the moment of death, had but one wish: to see Sri Ram, the Lord. This was his purpose. This is what kept him alive. And Sri Ram then turned to Jatayu, and with eyes filled with tears, this is what Bhagwan said in these very beautiful verses from our scriptures. जय राम श्री राम, जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। राम कहा तनु राखे उताता, राम कहा तनु राखे उताता। मुख मुख का ही कही तेरी बाता, मुख मुस्का ही कही तेरी बाता। जो कर नाम मरत मुख आवा, जो कर नाम मरत मुख आवा। अधमहु मुकुत होई श्रुति गावा, अधमहु मुकुत होई श्रुति गावा। जय राम श्री राम, जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। सोमम लोचन गोचर आगे, सोमम लोचन गोचर आगे। राखूं देह नाथ के भागे, राखूं देह नाथ के भागे। जय राम श्री राम, जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय Rama. जल भरि नयन नयन राम श्री राम। जल भरि नयन कहीं रघुराई, जल भरि नयन कहीं रघुराई। तात कर्म निज ते गति पाए, तात कर्म निज ते गति पाए। जय राम श्री राम, जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम। मंगल भवन मंगल आरे, प्रभु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी। Ram said to Jatayu, Ram's eyes were filled with tears when he spoke to Jatayu. Jatayu, you know, even at the moment of death, he had one last wish, which was to see Sri Ram, the Lord. That was his purpose. If you have a purpose, I tell you, you're going to live until that purpose is fulfilled. But how many of us live lives without a purpose? It's an important question, my brothers and sisters. Are you living your life without a purpose? What is your purpose? This is a question I want you to ask and reflect on deeply. Why are you in this world? What is your purpose? So Bhagwan Shri Ram laughed. Mukha musukai kahite hi bata. He smiled and he says, no, my friend, you must not die. You must not die. And with a smile on his face, at this loving entreaty of Bhagwan Shri Ram, Jatayu answered. And he says, he by the mention of whose name, at the hour of death, even the vilest of sinners win salvation, so declare the Vedas, is present now in bodily form before my eyes. Tell me, my Lord, what purpose will my body serve when there is nothing more to deserve? What purpose will my body serve when there is nothing more to deserve, my Lord? Asked Jatayu. Says, he by the mention of whose name at the hour of death, even the vilest of sinners are forgiven. They win salvation. So declare the Vedas, Jatayu said. Says, that person is now before me in bodily form. My whole life has been waiting to meet you, to see you in this bodily form. You are now before my eyes. Therefore, what purpose will my body serve when there is nothing more to desire, nothing more to deserve? And in the words of Jatayu, we have the confirmation we need to have of the power of the name of God at the time of death. The Vedas, the Gita, the Ramayana, as I will show you tonight, all endorse the importance of the power of the name. Bhagwan Shri Ram was tearful, very tearful when he heard Jatayu speak like this. And Tulsidas describes the mood of Shri Ram. He said, with tearful eyes, Bhagwan Shri Ram said to Jatayu, it is your own meritorious deeds. It is your own meritorious deeds, my friend, that have brought you salvation. Tata karma nijate gatapai. Jalabhari Nayana Kaha Raghurai. With tearful eyes, Bhagwan Ram said, Tata karmane jate gatipai. Your own meritorious deeds have brought you salvation. Something to reflect on, because we have to ask the question, what kind of deeds are we committing, doing in this life? A purposeful life will mean that we do good things. And then Bhagwan Sri Ram gives advice to all of mankind as he rewards Jatayu. And what it is that Bhagwan Sri Ram said to Jatayu, that is the advice that he gives to all mankind. Let's see what Tulsidas has to say in this very beautiful verse of the Ramayana. Let's all sing. Jaya Ram, Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama, Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Ram, Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama, Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. परहित बस जिन्ह के मन माहे, तिन्ह कहु जग दुर्लभ कछु नाहि। परहित बस जिन्ह के मन माहे, तिन्ह कहु जग दुर्लभ कछु नाहि। तनु तजितात जाहु मम धामा, देहु कहाँ तुम पूरन कामा। तनत जुतात जाहु मम धामा, देव कह तुम पुराण कामा। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। What did he say to Jatayu? परहित बस जिन्ह के मन माही, तिन्ह कहु जग दुर्लभ कछु नाहि। तनु तजि तात जाहु मम धामा, देहु कहाँ तुम्ह पुराण कामा. Right where I started at the beginning. There is nothing in this world, nothing beyond the reach of those who have the interests of others at heart. Therefore, Jatayu, casting off your body, my friend, ascend to my realm. For what more can I give you when, as you say, you have all that you desire? Come to my realm. You have served well. There is nothing beyond your reach now. And if I was the one that you wanted to reach, Jatayu, I say to you now, come, come and ascend to my realm. Bhagwan Shri Ram rewards and is grateful to those who serve him as Jatayu did, as Hanuman did. But the words of Shri Ram that should remain indelibly imprinted in our hearts and thoughts is this: it is by your own meritorious deeds that you have brought your salvation. Your own meritorious deeds, you have brought your salvation. No other person performing those deeds. You by your own deeds bring about your salvation. And in this Doha, Tulsidas records, अभिरल भगति मागी बरा गीध गए हरिधाम तेहि कई क्रिया जताचित निज कर कीन्ही राम। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। Jatayu asked Sri Ram for the gift of uninterrupted devotion to him. He said, bless me that I will always be devoted to your feet. That the rest of wherever I am, I will always be engaged in devotional exercise to you. And then he ascended to the abode of Lord Hari. And you know what? With his own hands, Bhagwan Sri Ram performed the death rites of Jatayu with all due ceremony. And Tulsidas, comments on this verse. He says, the most tender-hearted Ram, who is compassionate to the humble and unaccountably gracious, bestowed upon a vulture that salvation which is solicited even by the sages. The most tender-hearted Sri Ram, who is compassionate to the humble and unaccountably gracious, bestowed upon a vulture that salvation which is solicited even by ascetics. If the bird can achieve that, brothers and sisters, why can't we? Why can't we achieve the same? Isn't that important? It's a kind of question we must ask. If a bird can achieve it, we as humans who have the power to think and the power to do so much more, why can't we achieve it? What is wrong with us? Bhagwan Sri Ram is ready. He's ready to give us what we want. But are we ready to receive it? You are never going to get what you want unless you are ready to receive it. If you want salvation, you're going to get it. But are you ready to receive it? What it is that brings about salvation? What is it that brings about redemption? I shall answer that question after we chant this very beautiful Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajuman Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam Ram Stuti. चंद्र कृपालु भजुमन हरन भव भय दारुणम नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख कर पंज हर कंजारुणम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजुमन हरन भव भय दारुणम नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पर कंजारुणम। अगणित अमित अभिनव नील नीरज सुंदरम पद पीत मानहु दरित रुचि सुचिनाउ जनक सुदावरम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजुमन हरन भव भय दारुणम नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख पर कंज पर कंज कंजारुणम। भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंशनि कंदनम। रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद्र दशरथ नंदनम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजु मन हरन भव भय दारुणम। नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख पर कंज पर कंजारुणम। सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदारु अंग विभूषणम। आजानु भुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित हर दूषणम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजु मन हरन भव भय दारुणम। नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख पर कंज पर कंजारुणम। बढ़ित तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजनम। मम हृदय कंज निवास कर कामादि फल दल गंजनम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजु मन हरन भव भय दारुणम। नवकंज लोचन कंज मुख पर कंज पर कंजारुणम। श्री राम श्री राम। Brothers and sisters, the question is, what brings about moksha? What brings about the same state that Jatayu achieved as a bird? We go back to our scriptures in Uttarkand of the Ramayana. In the Uttarkand of the Ramayana, there is a very beautiful verse which I will share with you. Very, very beautiful verse that speaks about this. One that you should memorize and always remember. बरे भाग मनुष्य तनु पावा। सुर दुर्लभ सब ग्रंथन्य गावा। बरे भाग मनुष्य तनु पावा। सुर दुर्लभ सब ग्रंथन्य गावा। साधन धाम मोक्ष कर द्वारा। साधन धाम मोक्ष कर द्वारा, पाइन जेहि पर लोक सवारा। जय रामा श्री रामा, जय जय रामा, जय रामा श्री रामा, जय जय रामा। सो परत्र दुख पावै, सिरु धुनि धुनि पछिताए। काल ही कर्म ही ईश्वर ही, मिथ्या दोष लगाए। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। श्री राम। बड़े भाग मनुष्य तनु पावा। It is as a result of great and good fortune that you have been given this human body, which, as all the scriptures declare, is difficult for even the sages to get. What is this human body? And why has it been given to you? Sadhana dham moksha kara dwara, payena jehi paraloka savara. It is a tabernacle. It is like a temple, suitable for spiritual endeavors. And when it is so used, when all your actions and thoughts and words are motivated and inspired by how you'll behave and speak in the confines of a temple, a tabernacle, this very human body becomes the gateway to liberation, the gateway to redemption, to deliverance. But he who receives it and still not even wins heaven, what does he do, or what does she do? They reap torment in the next world because of the karmas they have performed. And then they beat their heads in vain remorse, blaming time, blaming fate, and blaming God, but not blaming themselves for where they are in life. Brothers and sisters, our salvation, our redemption, our transformation is in our hands. It is what we call self-determined. We are the authors of our liberation from sorrow and from pain. But Tulsidas makes a very good point in the Ramayana, very good point. In a particular verse of the Ramayana, he says, Bhala anabhala nija nija karatuti, lahata sujasa apaloka vibhuti, guna avaguna janata sabakoi, jo jehi bhav nikatehi soi. Just listen to what he says. He says, the good and the bad, according to their deeds, reap a rich harvest of honor and dishonor. The good and the bad, according to their deeds, reap a rich harvest of honor and dishonor. Their merits and demerits are known to all, but whatever is to a man's taste seems good to him. What does this say? It says that really every man chooses according to his own taste, whether good or bad. That's true. Choice is at the level of the individual. God will prompt you to do the right thing, but choice is at the level of the individual. But there's a law of karma, and there is moksha. Karma are the deeds we perform, moksha is the liberation we seek. And moksha and its attainment solely depends on how we choose to act in this world. There is only one way to choose if we want happiness for ourselves. And that choice is dharma, right conduct. Right conduct will be performed if when we choose, we see before our mind's eye the Lord as the receiver of our work, the results of our actions. If we see everything that we do as a gift to God, how will we do wrong things? Would we want to give God things that are wrong, that are misinformed, that are misguided? Never. Never. Right conduct will be performed if when we choose, we see before our mind's eye the Lord as the receiver of our work. then our work, then our actions will take on the aura of worship and worshipful dedication. Karma founded upon dharma leads to moksha. Karma founded upon dharma leads to moksha. Always remember that. Karma founded upon dharma leads to moksha. When you act in the world, act on the basis of karma. Good deeds. Then you will get moksha. What does it say in Bhagavad Gita? Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Yad karosi yad ashnasi, yad juhosi dadasi yat, yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurusvamara arpanam. Yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurusvamar arpanam. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Shubha Shubha Phalair Evam Moksha Se Karma Bandhanaha Sanyasa Yoga Yuktamatma Vimuktumam Upayasyasi Sanyasa Yoga Yuktatma Vimukto Mam Upayasyasi. Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri 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 Krishna Sharanam Mama. What does the Lord say to do when we work? How should we work? Karma founded upon dharma leads to moksha. He says in chapter 9, verse 27 and 28, he says, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer in sacrifice, whatever you give away, whatever austerities you practice, tapasyasi kaunteya, do them all as offerings to me. Tat kurusva mad arpanam. Do them all as offerings to me. Forget about who's standing before you in the human form. See me in them and make that offering to me, the one seated in them. And when you do so, he says, you shall be free from the bondage of actions that yield good and bad results. And with the mind thus firmly set in the yoga of renunciation and liberated, you shall come to me. What does Karma Yoga mean? Karma Yoga means to perform the actions for God but to renounce the results, leave the results in the hands of God. Just your duty is only to perform the action. Brothers and sisters, as I close the second night tonight, speaking about redemption and transformation, let us remember that we do not have a lot of time in this world to achieve moksha, to redeem ourselves. We cannot afford to act immorally. We cannot afford to act adharma. We must always act for righteousness and out of righteousness. And in this way, we'll achieve the goals that we want to achieve in life. This is important for us to know. This is important for us to recognize. And I want us all to remember that. And always to do what we are supposed to do, brothers and sisters. Do it in the right way. Do it in the right way. When we do it in the right way, we are going to be blessed by God. Always remember that. When you do it in the right way, you're going to be blessed by God. And that is what we want. We want to be blessed by God. Isn't that right? We want to be blessed by God. So we'll sing one bhajan more before we end tonight. And I hope that you have enjoyed the evening with me. I thank you, brothers and sisters, for being part of the experience. May God bless each and every one of you this evening. देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। आया समय बड़ा दे ढंगा, आज आदमी बना लफंगा। कहीं पे झगड़ा, कहीं पे दंगा, नाच रहा नर होकर नंगा। छल और कपट के हाथों अपना बेच रहा ईमान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। राम के भक्त रहीम के बंदे, रचते आश्वरी के फंदे। राम के भक्त रहीम के बंदे, रचते आश्वरी के फंदे। कितने ये मक्कार अंधे, देख लिए इनके भी धंधे। इन्हीं के काली करतूतों से हुआ ये मुल्क मशान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। जो हम आपस में न झगड़ते, बने हुए क्यों खेल बिगड़ते, काहे लाखों घर ये उजड़ते, क्यों ये बच्चे माँ से बिछड़ते, फूट फूट कर क्यों रोते प्यारे बापू के प्राण, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। ओ माँ, कितना बदल, what has happened to your world, Lord? What has happened to your world, this beautiful world? What has happened to it? Where there's only a fight here and a quarrel there, and at the end of it, what happens? Everyone is destroyed in the process. Everyone is destroyed in the process. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जताती है, कितना प्यार जताती है। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जताती है, कितना प्यार जताती है। श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती, श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती, पग पग प्राण बचाती है, कितना प्यार जताती है। कितना प्यार जताते हैं, कितना प्यार जताते हैं। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी। ओ माँ, how beautiful, beautiful it says. how beautiful is your love and how much your love awakens love in us, Uma. This is what is the essence of that bhajan. I've so often translated it for you, and I hope that you have enjoyed it tonight very, very much. So we're going to close with this bhajan tonight. बसे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। And this, my friends, have brought us to the end of tonight's edition, the second of our nights, worshipping the goddess Devi Durga Ma. And of course, will join me again tomorrow evening. I'll be here again to share with you another evening of bhajans and of course another discourse from the pages of the Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas. I hope you will find the time to join me. I will be very, very happy to have you with me. Thank you very much for being with me. May God bless each and every one of you, my brothers and sisters. भव मुनि विज्ञान वशिष्यते मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु ॐ सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्रमूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते हरि ओम त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव हरि ओम शान्तिः 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 श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय श्री देवी दुर्गा माता की ओम जय 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 श्री राम। Join me again tomorrow evening for the third evening, and then remember on Friday my brother Professor of Religion, Professor Anandanand Rambachan, will have a very special evening with us here at the Kuladevalai Pitri Tirtha Shrine at 6 p.m. If you can, please join us for live at the Mandir for the evening. We'll be very happy to receive you and to take care of you as our honored guests on Friday evening. Thank you again, and may God bless each and every one of you.